USDJPY is on the verge of moving all the way to the downside. This is where the final move is going to happen, all the way to the downside. And on Euro USD, you see this massive move all the way from this point to the upside is going to continue. I was talking about market moving upward, and this move is going to continue right here. And also USDCAD market is about to come down. I'm going to dive deep into details in this very video, so watch this video all the way to the very end. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for other forex content. Right here on USDJPY chart, I'll be talking about market about coming all the way to the downside, and this is the best opportunity to take that very sell move coming downward. And that is what I want to show you right here, because market is going to come all the way to the downside, in my opinion, from this very area to the downside. And if you look at this very point, if you look at it critically, you discover this was a very strong level of resistance. So market move all the way from here downward, and from this same point is where the market is right now, which means market at a very important level of resistance. Market is going to, from this very area, come back to the downside, and that is what I am expecting right now. So expect the market to come back down. And to be very precise, if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator, you discover that the market have crossed the 80% line, okay, coming out of the overbought condition at this very point, which is one of the key things I was waiting for to happen, and this have already happened. And what that means is market have high capacity of coming all the way to the downside against the US dollar, especially as we move into the US election in the next 6 days. And this is what I am critically paying attention to right now. So it is not necessary, or it is not wise to buy the market at this very area. Rather, it is the best thing to sell the market from this very point all the way to the downside, because market is going to come back down on USDJPY. This is my own personal expectation right now. So if you are considering taking a trade on USDJPY, the best time to take a trade for a sell opportunity is right now. And the exact point you need to take that trade is when we see this very breakout I'm going to show you right now on the chart, because it is not necessary for you to just take a sell position when no structure have broken yet in the market. So what I am expecting right now is for us to break this very level of important support. You see, the market move into this level of support at this very point, and we are seeing a gradual move upward right now, which I believe this very move is not going to create a new high anymore. Market is going to come back down. Not only that, one significant thing right here on this very chart is that there is a gap. Okay, for those of us that know how to trade gap, you discover that when the gap is closed, which it has not completely closed right at this point, market have high capacity of running all the way to the opposite side. What that means is when this market come back down and break this level of support, it means that the market have capacity of moving all the way to the downside, and that is what I am waiting for. So once you see the market come back down and break this level of support, then it is a guarantee, in my opinion, for the market to move all the way to the downside. And your first target have to be this very point of important support right at this very point, okay? And your second target have to be this very area, which is very important on the chart right here. And this is what I'm expecting. Like I said, you must wait. If you want to take a sell position, market should have break this very area, then you take an entry for a sell position to the downside, and your first target have to be this very zone of support on the 4-hour chart right here, which is within 149.36, and this very area right of support as well of 147.74. This is what I'm expecting right now, guys. Pay attention to this. Market is going to come all the way back down according to what I am looking at on the 1-day chart and also on the 4-hour chart. If you've been watching videos on this channel, I was talking about market moving upward on Euro USD, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now. Look at it here. Market is moving upward, okay, from this very level of important support. Market is finding support right at this very point and moving all the way to the upside. And mind you, this very move is not going to last long in the market because market is still going to come all the way back to the downside. And what you need to pay attention to right now is for the market to move upward. Approaching the US election, I am expecting the euro to gain strength moving upward, because when it comes to the US dollar right now, the market is very, very uncertain. Because of that uncertainty in the US election this time around, approaching 5th of next month, November, market is going to continue upward in favor of the euro on the Euro USD before we're going to see the market come back all the way to the downside after the election. So pay attention to market moving upward. That is what I'm expecting right now. I talked to you about this, which is very important, and I said a very important resistance need to break, and that resistance have already broken on the 4-hour chart right here. Look at it. This very level of resistance was where I was paying attention to, and I said once we see that breakout, the market is going to move upward. And exact same thing we see right here. This level of resistance at this very point and this point right here have already broken with this very bullish candle. Market is going to move upward. So from this very perspective on the chart, market is going to move upward on Euro USD 4-hour chart. Expect this move to still continue all the way to the upside, but we will see retracement. Market will move, retrace, move upward just like that in this formation, and that is what I'm not paying attention to on Euro USD. Nevertheless, the 1-day chart of this very pair is not going to last long. The market is not going to last long, okay? So you need to be careful because this is a counter trend trade. Market is going to move upward a little bit and then begin to come back to the downside. So be careful of this very position moving all the way to the upside. USD CAD 1-day chart. I am very sure from what I am seeing on the chart that market is going to go all the way to the downside. Okay, we need to see retracement in the market. Look at it. So market move from here all the way to the upside. Right now, I'm expecting market to have good retracement before continuation, because market will still continue upward. Okay, stochastic RSI indicator is still within the overbought condition. It has not crossed over. But once we see that crossover right here and moving below the 80% line at this very point, it is a clear indication that market is going to come down, and that is what I'm paying attention to right now as well. So pay attention to this, guys. It's going to definitely happen very, very soon. And to show you the exact points you need to watch on USD CAD, we need to go to the 4-hour chart to figure that out, because this is very important. If you look at this very chart right now, this is the market tanks within this very area. We are seeing consolidation within this very area, which means the bulls are tired of moving the market all the way to the upside. What that also implies is that the market is going to come back down, and what you need to pay attention to right now is for the market to break this level of important support. So this support, once it breaks, market is going to come back down, and then we will have a possible retracement and a continuation all the way to the downside. And that is what you need to pay attention to right now, guys. I am looking at market coming back down. Once you see this very breakout, okay, market is going to come back down for sure, in my opinion, okay, from what I am seeing on the chart. And it will be good to take a counter trend position all the way to the downside. What that also means is, if you don't know how to trade counter trend position, because I've also talked about this in my earlier videos, that if you don't know how to take a counter trend position on USD CAD, you need to wait for this very retracement to happen before entering the market for a buy opportunity. What that means is, as market begin to retrace very, very soon after a breakout of that very support level I just showed you on the 4-hour chart, market is going to come back down and then move upward. So you need to wait for market to move this much and then enter for a buy opportunity all the way to the upside, because if you look at impulsive move from here to the upside, then retracement is going to come in. That is what we're waiting for that very move to continue again upward for continuation. What that means is, if you don't know how to trade counter trend downward, don't take any trade. Wait for the market to retrace before you enter a buy position upward in line with this very movement all the way to the upside for the next impulsive move. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more forex videos like this one. Also check the channel for all the forex content. Join our Telegram group with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching.